Marian has been loyal, waiting for Chesley to commit. Days turns into months, months into years, yet nothing changes. Chesley keeps saying they're not ready, leaving Marian stuck between hope and uncertainty.
Alam mo, 2 years ago, hindi mo ba talaga alam kung gusto mo?
Marian, I told you before, I'm not ready pa. I don't want to hurt you.
After Marian talked to Chesley, she was devastated and had a word with her sister to ask what is the right thing to do.
Hindi mo kailangan hintayin ng tao hindi sigurado sa'yo. Love isn't supposed to be that confusing.
Pero paano kung hindi siya talaga?
Kung siya talaga, bakit kailangan mong maghintay? Kung mahal ka, pipiliin ka ngayon pa lang.
After waiting so long for something that never came, Marian makes a decision to move forward. It is not easy, but they choose for a relationship even if their heart is still tied to the past.
Alam mo, MC, hindi ako sa MU kahapon sa mall. May kasamang girl. Nag-hogdilhan pa sila.
Ha? Baka naman trust na lang yun.
Hindi girl, official sila ko sa IG story. Option pa nga, final hours. Ganyan din siya noon. Akala mo ikaw na. Pero palaging bitin. Laging may takot sa kumit.
So, it's a pattern. 2 years ako naghintay. Tapos ganun lang.
Matagal na naman gusto ng pag-ibig. Kaya lang daw, baka na-open ka.
So ikaw pa yung isipin nila. Grabe, you deserve better.
Marian, can we talk? Can you please come with me?
What more, Leslie? 2 years isa di ka pa ready, tapos ngayon bigla ka na lang ready. Pero sa iba,
I didn't mean to hurt you. I thought we have something special.
we had, but you let me wait while keeping your options open. Ako, loyal, ikaw, secretive.
Guys, it's already in the past. There's no point arguing about it now.
I know I came in after, but I respect honesty kahit na hindi pa pantay yung feelings. I'm here with clear intention.
I want closure. All I ask was honesty, Jessie. I gave you my loyalty, pero binaliwala mo yun.
I admit, I was selfish. I wanted to keep you, but I wasn't sure enough about my feelings. Marian, please take care.
Now comes the hardest part, accepting the truth. Marian reflects on their choices, their loyalty, and what it all meant. Was moving on the right choice? Did they make the right decision? More importantly, what's next?
Hey, ma'am. Can I ask some advice about this?
Marian starts to explain her situation to the counselor. She tells everything that bothers her, the heartbreak that she feels, and the unreciprocated feelings that she has.
Speaking out of someone is still choice. Yourself,
But what if I never get another chance with someone like Justin? Or even Landmark?
After the talk with the counselor, Marian decides to talk to her partner and want to clear things up.
What's wrong?
Our relationship must be a mistake. I was only with you out of frustration and wanting to move on. Maybe we should stop this. We will only get hurt. You deserve someone just as you from the start.
I understand. But remember, I'm always here for you.
Alam mo, narito ko lagi para sa'yo. Mahal kita ng labis, ngunit siya